Can Zimbabwe shake off the shackles of its political past and embrace a new era of change? This is the burning question that engulfs the mind of many as we delve into the intriguing world of Zimbabwean politics. Let's rewind the clocks back a bit. The stage is set for the Zimbabwean elections. Nelson Chamisa, the charismatic leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, is ready to challenge the incumbent president, Emmerson Mnangagwa. Chamisa, a man of the people, is known for his grassroots support and his ambitious manifesto. He promises to tackle the economic struggles and governance issues that have tarnished Mnangagwa's presidency. His message of change resonates with many Zimbabweans disillusioned with the current leadership. Fast forward a bit to the election's aftermath. Despite Chamisa's best efforts, Mnangagwa secures a second term with 52.6% of the vote. The opposition rejects the result, citing irregularities and voter suppression. The win sparks controversy and raises concerns about the country's political future. So, what does all this mean for Zimbabwe? It means that the political landscape remains as volatile as ever. It means that the struggle for change continues. It means that the desire for a better Zimbabwe remains unfulfilled. But most importantly, it means that the spirit of democracy is alive and well in the hearts of Zimbabweans, and they will keep fighting for it. To summarize, the political situation in Zimbabwe is a tale of unfulfilled promises, economic struggles, and the fight for change. It's a story of a charismatic challenger, Nelson Chamisa, and a powerful incumbent, Emmerson Mnangagwa. It's about the battle for the heart and soul of Zimbabwe. And as the dust settles on this chapter of Zimbabwean politics, one thing is clear: the fight is far from over.